Okay, so today I have something here. My car's been having a lot of overheating these days, and so I thought I'd do a video on what could be the culprit. So what I'm holding here is a thermostat. The job of a thermostat is just a heat sensor. So what it does is if the engine gets pretty hot, it opens up. This valve here opens up with a spring. It opens up to allow the coolant coming in from here to go into the engine. All right, to cool the engine down if it's too hot. All right. So currently, it looks like it's not doing the job very well, or either it's over allowing coolant through or not. It's kind of hard to tell. But the good way to test to see if it actually works or not, since it's a heat sensor device, we're gonna use hot water to test it and confirm whether the compression opens up to allow the coolant through and into the engine to cool it down when you're experiencing overheating. So I'm heating the water right now, and when it's hot, we're gonna get it and then drop this into the hot water to see if the valve will open up to allow for the coolant to flow through from this direction and into the engine. All right. Okay, so the water is heating now. It's about to boil. Okay, it's boiling now. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna pour into this bowl right here, and then we go test it out. Okay, the hot water is here. It's pretty hot. So what we want to watch out is this to see if it's opening up, it's pushing in, and if the valve right here is also popping out. So watch out for this ring over here, this compression ring over here, to see if it will open up to this direction or towards this direction. Okay, from here towards here. And keep an eye on this side as well. Okay, so moment of truth. I'm gonna drop it in the hot water real quick. Okay. Push it in a good direction. Okay, so now let's pay attention to that. Let's watch this side. It's popping up. See, it's open up. Notice that? It's open up. And then watch this side as well. Look at it. It's going way. It's fully open now. Notice that? See, so that's the thermostat, and it's a nice wide open now. It's wide open for the coolant to flow through, and then from that direction into the engine, this direction. So this tells us that the thermostat is working. So if you want to test to see if your thermostat is working correctly, this is a good way to do that. The device happens to be a heat sensor device, so once you just get a boiling water, place it in it, and once it opens, the valve opens at the end, it should tell you that you have a good working thermostat and that you should look for something else. So this is probably the culprit for the overheating. It's probably something else. See that it's fully open now. Fully open. So now the coolant to come through from here into the engine to cool it down. So, folks, that's how you test your thermostat. That could be your that could be causing you overheating problem. But in this case, it looks like this is not a problem. So I'm gonna go fix it back into the car and then try troubleshooting on somewhere else. Maybe it could be a different issue altogether. It could be the other side of it. I don't know. I'm yet to figure that one out. But currently, I can tell that the thermostat is working because it's completely open. It's fully open. All right, see that? It's fully open now. Okay, folks. Okay, let's take it out and see if it cools down. If this closes back up. Take it out. So it's out of the hot water. Now let's watch it, see if it's gonna, see now it's a gap here. See if it's closing up. Watch it. Watch the spring right here. Shut off. Watch, it's closing. You see that? It's pushing in. Slowly. Because now it's out of the hot water. So it's not sensing any heat. And so in other words, it needs to shut off because the engine is not hot enough for it to allow the coolant through. So it's shutting off now. See that? It's moving. It's closing up. See that? It's closing up. See? Closing up. Pretty impressive, huh? For all you mechanics out there, this is one way you test. Well, it's a really good way to test if you have a working thermostat or not. See, it's fully shut. It's almost fully shut. The washer over there, the plastic valve over there, also a washer. It's compressed through now to seal the coolant from coming through because it's not experiencing any hot temperature right now. It's cooling down basically. Awesome. All right, folks. Yep, it's almost fully shut. Look at that, it's fully shut. Yep. The black ring is completely getting through after this few gaps, so it just needs a few more minutes to completely shut off. All right. Now you know.